So here we are, Blizzard Nemo, my neighborhood in Brighton. Most of the sidewalks are not clear, so people are walking down the road. Looks like they dumped some salt on this part. You can see the cars are almost completely buried. Some people are digging their cars out. I'm really not sure what the point is, because when the plows come through, they're just going to be reburied again. It's kind of post-apocalyptic here. Apparently we got over 20 inches of snow. This house over here, some college guys were jumping off the balcony into the snowbanks earlier. And pretty much is that everything is closed. Exciting times.